Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for coming back for another video. Today I'm going to take you with me as I walk through Homegoods, and I'm going to show you a few tips on how to pick up the best items so you're not wandering around. Let's see what we can find today. We're going to see how this goes. It is a Saturday, so hopefully I can get some good footage for you guys. Wish me luck. So friends, right off the bat, I noticed this mid-century modern on bar stool, and I have seen this on other websites that were like $400, and you could see that one was only $200. Then I stumbled upon this one as well, which I've seen online for about $500. So immediately those type of things are really good bargains. Best way to shop in Homegoods is to do your homework before you go in the store and kind of have an idea of exactly what you're looking for. I usually look on sites like Hooker Furniture, Bernhardt, or American Signature to see what their offerings are, and then do a price comparison in the store. That is probably the biggest tip before you decide to go shop in Homegoods. Otherwise, you may end up buying some junk. And didn't y'all just see how gorgeous those tulips were? That piece was so striking to me. The masculineness of that table with those tulips was gorgeous. So I'm just gonna let the music play for a minute and I'll pop back on in a second. So friends, I stopped to look at this piece of artwork here. I think it's pronounced agate, I'm not sure. But what it is a big on trend right now. And I was like, do I really want to spend, I think those were like $49. And it's really on trend right now to have the outside brought inside as far as decor and design. But I just still couldn't see myself spending that much money because I know as soon as the trend goes away, I'm going to want to get rid of it. So yeah, and you can see it's really crowded. But I did stumble upon this quartz piece right here, and as you can see, that was double the size of those other ones, and they were this was only $29.99. So yeah, she's coming home with me. So, and I feel like with something like this, when the trend is over, I can easily reuse that frame for something else. So I think that way whenever I'm shopping. Y'all, can I get a thumbs up just for how crowded this place was, and I still captured this footage for you guys. my gosh, these flowers were so gorgeous. When I tell you They have really stepped their game up as far as their flowers go. One quick tip while you're looking though, guys, touch them and feel them and make sure they have a little bit of a silky feel to them. They make them more lifelike and they don't look cheap or like you've got them from the dollar store, which, don't get me wrong, the dollar store might have some good ones that you may find every now and then, but definitely you want to make sure that you're spending at least 20 bucks for these. Get your money's worth. I myself am going to personally try to kind of phase out with the fake plants and try to get back into trying to grow some naturally, especially in the spring. But they did have some really pretty ones. Like I said, guys, just make sure that you're looking for the silky texture, and if the water is fake, then make sure it doesn't have a yellow tint to it, because then you're kind of defeating your purpose and everybody knows that it's not really water in there. It's just a fake plant with fake water too. I'm just watching back at this footage. I'm ready to go shop again. If you're with me on that, give this video a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a video, which I do weekly, and I'm so enjoying this journey with you guys. The other thing real quick, see these pictures here? They're really big on trend right now. And there was another couple actually that was kind enough to let me film, because they actually purchased them to take them home with them. So you can find some good bargains and stuff here in TJ Maxx, Homegoods. Just keep your eyes out for the tips that I told you. And also some of your key brands to look for, guys, are like Tahari, Nicole Miller, Ralph Lauren. There's a few other ones that I can't remember, but if you think of some that you always look for, leave them down in the comment section below so I'll know what I should be looking for the next time I go shopping at Homegoods. Y'all, I hope you enjoyed that trip and you got some good tips and ideas swimming through that brain of yours. What was your favorite part on the tour or while we shopped? What was your favorite part? Did you find anything new? Did I say something that sparked something in you? Leave it in the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you know every time I post a video. Thank you so much for coming along with me. And again, if you like this type of stuff, let me know and I'll do more. Thanks again, and until next time, see you later.